Do you have a hole or tear in some of your equipment? If you answered yes, we have a product for you. Introducing the J-Patch. The J-Patch is the perfect, quick, permanent fix for any hole or tear that may have occurred on your equipment. The J-Patch comes in 3 different sizes and can be cut down to fit whatever size fix is needed. When you are ready to install the J-Patch, you will first need to clean the surface around the hole. Then simply remove the white backing and use the adhesive side of the patch to cover the damaged hole. Make sure to firmly press and smoothen the patch against the surface. Press down against all the corners and make sure that the patch is sealed tight. You can even have someone inside the toilet pressing against the other side of the side panel, adding some extra support. Once the patch is applied to the surface, remove the clear backing off the front of the patch and let the patch cure for about 15 to 30 minutes using either natural sunlight or your UV flashlight. Once the patch is cured, you should have an air and watertight seal that is extremely tough. As you can see, the patch is watertight and does not allow for leaks inside your equipment. If one of your toilets currently has a J-light in the roof, and you no longer want to have the J-light in the roof, you can use the patch to create a watertight seal and fill that hole in your roof. The patch can be used on virtually any surface, and if you want the patch to match your equipment, you can paint over it to make it match. Thank you for watching this J-Patch installation video. And if you have any questions, make sure to call us at 1-800-345-3303 or email us at info@jjchem.com. And remember, we hope you have a great day from your friends at J&J.